What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another one. Y'all, look, y'all see the title of the video. We got him. We finally got him. After all of this time, the Detroit, Michigan Attorney General has finally arraigned Krystal Davis, aka Krystal Card, aka Krissy Nicole, the wholesale scammer that's been out here on a terror for years, literally scamming the wholesale community and other investors, so many different people. And we've been reporting on this for years, guys. So for years, literally for years, we've been reporting on this for almost 4 years. So it's a super proud moment to bring this news to the community, guys. It hasn't even been a whole 24 hours. We're talking about maybe 18 hours ago, the Detroit, Michigan Attorney General just put out a letter saying that they got her, y'all. So we're going to go into that. But for all of you all that may not know this story or whatever, I am going to leave the links to the full videos down below. It's been quite some time, guys. I've made several videos talking about this scenario. So I just want to kind of give y'all like a brief rundown and kind of, go over what this lady was actually doing. All right, so this was the first video that I made about Krystal. This was in 2020, November 10th of 2020, like 3.5 years ago. I made this video because I saw a guy from Detroit, Rob Walchuk, shout out to Rob Walchuk. He was reporting on Krystal Davis. Lo and behold, Krystal Davis was actually a person that banned me from this Facebook group, Cash Buyers, JVs, and Deals. She banned me from the Facebook group because I was giving free value to people inside of the group. Lo and behold, like a year or two later, I see her literally getting exposed by Rob Walchuk on the news. Basically, this is literally like a news segment in Detroit. It's hilarious. It's crazy. It's not really hilarious because a lot of people got hurt, but y'all see what I'm saying. So this is the first video, and this is how they approached her initially.
Hi, Krystal. It's Rob Walchuk from Fox 2.
Hi.
Hi, I got to ask you some questions.
What?
What's going on with that house on Westbrook over there?
What?
The house on Westbrook that you took money from Shanika from. Why don't you hang up the
Okay, so y'all see, they came in at her. Look, Rob, they got the camera crew. They got people talking to her. They was right here waiting for her, y'all. So they super exposed her. However, in 2020, this is when that happened, right? Apparently, she was never arrested, never got into any situations or anything like that. So, lo and behold, 1 year later, I'm making another video about Krystal because so many people in my comment section below the first video, so many people commented about how she's still scamming, how this stuff is still going on. So let's just briefly check that out as well. She's at it again under the alias Krissy Nicole on Clubhouse, teaching a wholesale masterclass for $39 to $99 per student, but is not holding the classes when she says, or just not at all. That's crazy. You see, so it's been going on for a long time. Like below that video, even plenty more people throughout the years have still been commenting, she just got me again. She just got me again. This is literally just like a few months ago. I think it was like the most recent comment, somebody saying that she's still scamming. And so it's kind of ridiculous, to be 100% honest. And I was wondering, when is the law actually going to get involved? Well, I do want to say salute to the Michigan Attorney General. They finally got the job done. It looks like she's been arraigned. I'm not sure if that means it's like she's in jail or whatnot, but we're going to read this article that just came out less than 24 hours ago, where she's actually getting charged. And actually, I just looked it up. It looks like an arraignment is the criminal proceeding that marks the start of the criminal trial process. So basically, she's going into court. She basically just got arrested like yesterday, and she's been arraigned. She's going to be like read her rights, told that she can get an attorney, et cetera, and they're going to be setting the next court dates. So this is a criminal trial that she's involved in, and yeah, it's starting, guys. It's basically starting. I'm definitely going to be trying to keep up with this as much as possible. But let's read the article from the Michigan Department of Attorney General. So it says, Detroit woman charged with acting as unlicensed CPA and unlicensed real estate agent. Those are the same two charges brought against her in that Rob Walchuk video. There was an investor saying that she was like taking over. She was supposed to be a property manager. She wasn't doing that. It was several people that said that she did their taxes, but never gave them the money for the taxes, things like that or whatever. So let's just see what they say. So out of Lansing, it says Friday, Krystal Davis, 37 of Detroit, was arraigned before Magistrate William Burton in the 36th District Court in Detroit on 1 count of accounting violations, unlicensed CPA, and 2 counts of occupational code, unlicensed real estate agent, announced Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel. Unlicensed CPA is a 5-year felony, and each unlicensed real estate agent's offense is a 90-day misdemeanor. It's looking like, hey, if they take this thing to trial and they win, she's going to be going away for a long time, y'all. So any of y'all that's, have gotten, damaged in these situations, I highly recommend that y'all reach out to the Attorney General as well. Let's just keep going. It says David, who operated using the business of Card Property Management, LLC, is alleged to have entered into a contract with the owner of 2 residential properties in Detroit to provide property management services, including determining rental rates, marketing the property, selecting tenants, collecting rent, and handling evictions. David was not licensed in the state as a real estate broker or real estate salesperson, as would be required by law to furnish such services. Card Property Management, LLC, a limited liability company, was the assumed name of Card Enterprises, LLC, which is similarly not licensed to provide real estate services. So the department also alleges that Davis told another person that she was a certified public accountant in the context of electronic communication, soliciting business from that person to prepare their taxes. Davis was not licensed in Michigan as a CPA. Oh, so this is major. So she literally admitted via, I'm assuming, like a text message, that she said that she was a CPA. However, she was not licensed as a CPA. And the CPA situation is a 5-year felony. And they got the text, y'all. That's what it looks like. It's going through. Y'all should have seen my reaction when I first found out. I was so happy. We got him.
Got him. We fucking got him.
All right, so it says, when Michigan residents seek assistance with their business and financial affairs, they must be able to trust the representations professionals make about their qualifications, said Nessel. My office will investigate and prosecute those who take advantage of their clients' trust by offering services that require licenses they don't hold. These licenses matter, as they often require tests of ability and teach licensees best practices in serving and protecting their clients' interests. Guys, it says a probable cause conference is scheduled in the 36th District Court on February 20th at 8:30 a.m. Y'all, if y'all are out there in Detroit, pull up for the team, y'all. Pull up for the team. It's happening in about a week. Yeah, in about a week, 8:30 a.m. Detroit time, they're going to be holding a probable cause conference. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Let's look it up. All right, so it looks like a probable cause conference is a meeting held in felony cases before a preliminary examination hearing. It says the purpose of a PCC is to expedite matters, accept an early plea or resolution to the case. So essentially, they're going to get together like the parties that be like the defense attorney, the prosecutor, the defendants. They're all going to get together, and Krystal may have the opportunity to accept the plea deal, and so she'll get less time or something like that. Or they can just talk about if they're actually going to be going to trial, et cetera, and work out any like administrative or procedural matters, it says. Okay, so very, very interesting. Either way, though, guys, this situation has finally like hit the wall, man. I'm super, super excited, and I'm very curious to hear what you guys have to say about it as well. So what do y'all think, man? After all of these years, we finally got her, guys. So hopefully they actually do something about this situation, though. Hopefully they don't just let her plea it down to like 2 months of probation or something like that or whatever. That's probably how she's been getting away for so long. I personally believe that this lady needs to do significant prison time. That's just my opinion or whatever. These are all allegations. Don't sue me. At the end of the day, it's like, look, the Attorney General is on it. Finally, man, I'm super, super pumped about that. I'm curious, like, what are y'all thoughts? Were y'all one of the victims of Krystal Davis? Have y'all reported her? Are y'all going to be showing up to that preliminary conference? I would love to hear about it. Let me know. Drop me a comment down below. And also, I'm going to link the other 2 videos that I made about Krystal in the description of this video if you want to check those out. And I'll probably have them as like videos at the end of the screen as well. So definitely check those out. If you know anybody that was scammed by Krystal, please, please, please share this video with them and let them know we got them. We kept our knee on their neck, and we finally got him, y'all. But anyway, though, guys, man, it's some other real estate news out here that's got to get covered. So I ain't going to hold y'all up. I'm going to go and let y'all get up out of here. But if y'all like videos like this where I'm talking about different real estate news situations, letting y'all know what's actually going on out here in the real estate space, check out this playlist right here. I've got a great amount of videos compiled for you, ready to go, so you can just binge watch. Anyway, though, guys, until next time, we are out.